你还记得吗？在过去26000年以来，我们不断的轮回转世，为的是解放这颗名为地球的行星，终结所有的苦难，让圣光回归地球。在转世前，我们约定好一起解放地球。虽然肩负着不同的任务，但却有着相同的使命。没有任何事情能够动摇我们的意志，即便要离开我们深爱的人们。无所畏惧，前往未知的境地。也许早已忘记彼此的模样，但这份连结始终都没有间断过。时间的洪流无法抹灭我们的决心，黑暗无法消除我们内心的光明，因为我们是星际种子，散落在不同的世纪，执行不同的任务，有着不同的身份，肩负起传递大爱与光明的使命。传递宇宙的智慧。无论现在的你有着何种身份，是时候回忆起自己的使命与任务，再次的取回自己的力量。
你还记得我吗？
我们不曾忘记过你。我们是灵魂家人。现在，让我们彻底终结所有的苦难。我们要的是
自由、
和平、
丰盛、
大爱、疗愈、
幸福。
科学研究证实，集体冥想具有强大的正面效应。冥想期间，众人的意识会在量子场域产生强大共振，因而影响现实社会。诚挚的邀请您参与6月14日、21日、30日的全球冥想活动。6月14日是今年第2次的冥王星和系神星4分相。这个4分相的能量会从而促成更多的揭露，让许多隐藏的真相公诸于世。6月21日的日环食，同时也是夏至的第1天。当天的地球、月球连成一条线，当天的能量会强化我们的想法，有利于创造和谐自由的实相。6月30日，冥王星和木星合相，会让社会大众对金融系统有更强的正面影响力。大家可以在影片下方找到冥想活动时间与详细的介绍。让我们共同创造崭新永恒的和谐未来。让 让圣光和大爱回归人间。
Okay. Hello, everybody. We're live already. Hello to Jenny.
Hello, Fab. Ay, hindi ko na-change ang aking name.
The name, the Nick. It's okay. So we're yeah. Was that your first time to watch Avi the Great Light?
Yes.
It was nice, right?
Yeah, super. Oh, wow. I should have seen it. I should have watched.
So, diba, it's really nice to have, that kind of introduction for our Fab night with the Midnight Unicorn Club. So, as you can see, there's only 3 of us right now.
Where's our monkey bells?
Where are the rest? But it's okay. Some have their matters to attend to pa. So, it's good. Yeah, we're not, ano naman. Yan. So, our decks are ready because this is a very special evening. I just did a 1 card reading for Avi's Great Light. So before we begin, let's have our introduction.
I forgot my cards.
Okay, our prepared introduction. So by the way, I am Tina Light Sparkle, and during the day, I am a DXN network leader. And at the same time, I'm an Access Bars facilitator, Sunya Advocate or Sunya Ambassador, diba? And I also, I'm the goddess of Angels and Crystals, and co-carrier of Mystic Angels, co-carrier of Fox Tribe, and at the same time, co-carrier of Sisterhood of the Rose for the Philippines. So that's it. Did I miss anything else? And of course, co-carrier of Mystic Angels. Sige.
Yes.
I have done my introductions. Ate Pangging, what's your?
Welcome. Fresh from Australia.
Sige. Introduction muna with Avi. How would you like?
Kalimut ko sa introduction. But I am Avi, the Great Light. I am a light worker by night, and by day I am a cat sanctuary owner. Welcome to RuPaul.
Hello, cat sanctuary and owner.
And owner, yes.
Yeah. And thank you for that awesome introduction. And next we have Jeannie Rarity.
Hi, I'm Jeannie, financial analyst by day, angel card reader by night, and on the weekends, mental health advocate, actually for the entire, for this entire lifetime. And just a trivia, Rarity is like the Maarte, according to Kay, the Maarte little pony. So I am the Maarte genie pony.
It's really nice. Kids would love to make meanings with our names.
Yes.
Our nicknames. That's so cute. Okay, of course, now we have our new co-host here in the club. She really wanted to join us, and even though it's so early in the morning there in Brisbane, Australia, straight from Brisbane, Australia, we have Purple Dino. Purple Dino, ni hao ma.
Hello.
Yes.
Oh, diba? That's my bedroom voice.
Oh. Bilang perfect Unicorn Club, Batepang.
Yeah. So that's me, Purple Dino, the eye. Okay. Introduction. Well, to the way. Oh yeah, just a lover of life.
Wow.
That's it.
Love that.
O,
Thank you
diba?
for that. Thank you for that. Ate Purple Dino.
Yeah.
Purple
And
Dino.
of course to
Panggang.
yeah, and to our co-host there, Jeannie, I am ready.
Okay, if you haven't seen the trend about Jeannie and Reedy,
Oh, no. I remember again.
there's a video.
Okay. You are all ready, huh?
Yes, Reedy.
Yes.
Okay, so this evening it's very perfect because we are celebrating the birthdays of Mother Princess Evelyn Buendia and of course Ate Rosabel Fuentes. So this is our one way of showing our appreciation and our love is to pass, good vibes to 15 people this evening. So we have 10 million viewers right now. So
Wow.
and whoever among you wants to have an angel guidance message, just type your full name and then we will give you. So the first 15 names, yun lang aming i-read. First 15, 1-5, okay? Not 50. 1-5 lang tayo ngayon because abutin tayo ng super morning.
Yeah.
Okay, so who's gonna have her first reading? So before nobody's messaging or delayed magod ni ang ato ang kuan. So we will just read for one another, like Ate Jeannie will read for Ate Purple Dino. Just a card.
That was will ask the angels to send message to Purple Dino. Who's Purple Dino?
Yes, ako nga pala.
Really?
But I think the angel knows.
Yes, they know. They're very intelligent.
All right. Okay, angels. What are you? What is, or it could be what are your messages for Purple Dino, aka okay. Okay. All right. I'll just spread it on my purple mat. Thanks to
your
Tita
mat is
P's
purple.
class. We're complete with all the necessary anik because we just graduated.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use our skills.
Yes. Okay, your card is have confidence
in your creation.
in your creations. All right. Trust in the power of God's creativity, which is being manifested through you. So you might have moments wherein worth it ba i-share? I'm shy. Just like me, you have doubts. But more than now is the best time to share our creations to the world. When you are ready, okay? When you are ready talaga, yes.
It's coming soon.
Yes, it's
Watch
coming.
out.
Yeah. And since you're Purple Dino, you have 3 bonus cards.
Wow.
All right, thank you, angels. So I think this is related to your first card. So maybe you have doubts right now. Oh, hi, Catty Cat there.
Catty.
Oh, this is a very good affirmation to the first card as well. All right. So your creative expression is God's divine creativity through your actions. Okay. So as these answers, you should be confident because that is God talking or being manifested. His works is manifested by your creations. Maybe not artwork, maybe it's food, right? Or you just being fun with your simple videos there in Straya, which brings
it's coming soon.
Yeah. Right? And then, okay, the angels are reminding you to open your heart to love. So pour love in all your creations. Yes, because that's who you are. That is your essence. And if you want more clarity, pay attention to your dreams. You are receiving divine guidance while you sleep, even if you don't remember. Yes.
Oh, nice.
It's a dreamer.
That's so lovely.
Thank you, angels.
All right. Thank you.
So, awesome reading for Ate Panggang. Congratulations. And we have Unicorn Bong with us. Hello, Unicorn Bong. Would you like to speak or just want to listen?
And let me just plug the Lamiang mango float sold by Unicorn, Kuya Bong, and the mango tapioca, which is always my favorite. Yes, mango overload last weekend.
Wow!
And if you want, you can order a lot, free delivery pa ba?
Oo naman.
Yes, it's so lamian.
Hello. Kuya Bong.
Tomorrow nasa iyo, team, nasa iyo ang, what you call this? Sorry, I'm late. Oh my God.
It's okay. You're not late. You're just on time. We're just starting our reading. You say your greetings na to Mother P and Ate Rosabel.
Yeah, happy birthday to the both of beautiful, awesome guys, the Sister Rakas. Happy birthday. Nag-emote na si Princess gahapon pa. The pre-birthday pa niya, nag-emote na siya sa amo. Oh my God. Overflowing.
Yeah, that's our beloved Mother P. Always, love by all. So tonight, we have now people who would love to their cards read. First, we have Aniceto de la Cruz. Kabalo na mo kinsa na siya.
Nasha?
Yes, he's watching. Hoy, andito na ako watching. Hello, hello, Mama A. He's watching via Mystic Angels.
Hello, Mama A.
Hello, Mama A.
Hi, God, I miss you.
I miss you too.
So let's later na lang natin read si Mama A. Ingon siya na wala daw na to siya ginapansin dito sa kanya. So, we have one card na magpa-read, Jabez Lahayroy Alianza. Okay, who would like to read for her?
Guys, baka mawala ako bigla, gamay lang kayo ka percentage ng battery, but okay lang.
It's all right. No problem.
Excuse me, Tin, I have no cards here, ha?
It's all right. Okay. Would like to read? Sige, ako na lang muna for Jabez. This card is for Jabez Lahayroy Alianza. Okay. Jabez, you're being asked to see from a higher perspective. So this is your card. Eagle. See the truth from a higher perspective. So sometimes there are things that are going on in our life, and we think that iba yung ating perception. So and we're seeing from the viewpoint of someone that's on the ground. But what if you try to look on a different perspective and set your sights a bit higher, and see from a higher perspective, which is from the vantage point of an eagle. If you're an eagle, you can see the bigger picture. So maybe sometimes in our life, we only see, again, what's on our eye level. But basically, some of the solutions lie when we change our perspective and we set our perspective on a higher note or higher way, like the eagle. So yun ang sa'yo, Jabez. Next, we have Janelle Torres. Okay, who would like to read for Janelle Torres? Abby Z. Greats.
Nag-ponder mo si Abby kung siya sa nagmunag kape.
Okay, this is card reading number 2. Janelle Torres. Kuya Bong, hello daw, ingon ni Mama A, bakit andito ka daw siya wala?
Hello, Mama A.
Ako ba?
Yes.
Mama A.
For Janelle Torres, we have Avi the Greats reading for you right now.
Oh, interesting. So the card that you got is so my card is all about goddesses, strong, powerful goddesses that you are. And your card is Saint Pele.
Oh, it's still the same.
It's divine passion. So I'm not sure. So basically it says be honest with yourself. What is your heart's true desire? So I think it's almost the same with, you know, when we have our questions, like when we put that question out there. So what is my heart's true desire? So whatever probably that comes first in your head or in your heart, that's usually it. And if you feel like there's something else fighting against it, it's always the first option. So yes, so follow your heart's true desire.
Yes, and attend our Zoom classes. Get your happy on Eunice Janelle Torres so that you will have more information about everything. Or maybe drawing the information from the inside of you, So yeah, what else is possible and how does it get any better than this? And of course, who would love to read for our fairy pixie, Liberty Ann Chin-chan? Of course, ang next si Jeannie Rarity.
Yes. You're supposed to be her Mom She Bells.
Kaya nga. Nagsali siya sa
May bells.
Ang card daw ni Mama A. Sige, next card from me, Mama A.
All right. Mom She Bells, Pixie Fairy. Your message is time management. So I know you're into a lot of, creations right now. So you have Sweet Surrender, you have your plants, you have your DXN side, and then the money side. So place your priorities at the top of your to-do list and don't allow distractions to deter your focus. Likewise, I know you're also into crystals and helping other people. So it's not just about the creations and the food and all, but likewise the totality of your pixiehood and being an earth fairy and an earth angel. All right, that's it.
I wonder what she would reply onto that, no? So next, of course, our very beloved Mama A. Okay, so Ate Pangging, maybe you have a message for Mama A. Si Ate Pangging has a very unique card. It's from the heart. So she will draw a card from her heart, Mama A, and then I will give you one. You are very special, Mama A. You have 2 cards today. Counted as one. Okay. Ako na mag-isip ka ng card from the heart for Mama A. Ha? So this is a message from Mama A. Wow. Okay. So you're always our intuitive mama. Okay.
Yeah, Mama
Moon. So take note of intuitive message. The divine is always speaking with you. It's just that, you're always also listening to the divine, and we always see your reflection. Keep doing a lot of your reflection because that is a gift to all of us, Mama A. Your reflections after your meditations, yan siya. So those messages that you give, inspiring messages that you give, take note of that because those are, intuited from the divine. So that's your message for now. And then, Ate Pangging, your card from the heart.
Okay, wait.
Purple daw pala.
Tring! Ay, tama ba? Yun. Paano ba?
Yan.
Okay, Mama A.
Cards art? Yung galing sa puso, Mama A, kasi wala yung
galing sa puso. Oo. Mama A, you are love. So whatever you do, you're just that. Love. Okay, Mama A?
Yes. Wow. Love and divinely intuition. Next
Yes.
time daw invite na daw niya ang self niya sa channel. Wow, amazing kung nandito si Mama A. That would be really lovely. Yes, Mama A, tuturuan ka namin paano gumawa ng background na ganito. Super awesome. Hindi ko siya matouch. Ma-reach talaga ang aking background. Super back siya. So, next we have Marie Chris Salaver Zosa. So this one is for Avi the Great Light. So we'll be doing rotations. So our fifth card message is for Marie Chris Salaver Zosa.
Hi, Mary Chris. How are you doing tonight? This lovely night. So, your card is. Are you ready?
Yes, really very.
So your card is. What? Wait.
Wala, yeah.
My virtual background is in the way. Wait. Tada! So it is the goddess Dana, high priestess. So it says that you have divine knowledge that can help others through your spiritual teaching. So it seems that you are a nurturing type of person in a way that you are imparting knowledge, whatever it may be. I think it's not necessarily the traditional type of teaching, but maybe you have in you yung natural talent to console or comfort others just through talking or just listening to them and so on. So it is a gift for you. So I guess this your goddess is telling you, your angel is telling you to keep it up and channel yung that it's a natural gift that you allow yourself to listen to others, and at the same time, they learn something from you. So it is a very good message, a very good night, Mary Chris. I hope you are here on the call with us. We'd love to hear something from you because I'm very interested with your message. It seems that you are someone who can make me learn something.
Wow. What a lovely reading for Marie Chris. So I hope you got that, Marie Chris. You're a gift, and your gift is one of that being the high priestess, So you can join the Sisterhood of the Rose among high priestesses and the goddesses that have incarnated on this present lifetime, to help and support humanity. Liberating humanity. Kasi diba, bedroom voice muna tayo kasi gabi na, 11:23. So we are down to 5. We need 10 more. So next up is Darlene Faith F. Suelto. So for Tita Ginny Rarity, si Puka.
Where's our Puka Darls here?
Yeah,
Puka Darls is not here. Message for Darlene Faith. All right. Or for Bubbles.
Yeah, Bubbles. So if you
would like to know more about new recipes, all right, you can check on Facebook page Bubbles. There are creative ways there on how to prepare your food or any other creations. All right. So Bubbles, your message is let go. So anything that's holding you back, whether the desire to control how perfect things should be, how perfect cooking should be, or how your vlog should be, let it go, and then just leave it up to the infinite wisdom and just follow your heart, your love, because creativity flows in your heart. Bubbles, unicorn all over there. So eventually it will just flow beautifully. So just let go and let it flow.
Wow, sobra. Love what you're saying. I'm sure she's listening. Yeah, she's saying bubbles here, and she's having, enjoying her reading right now. So we have next. We have for Faye. Okay, this one is for Faye. Okay, Faye. So for Faye, maybe you are confused, or maybe you have a question or ongoing question about something, but the angels are telling you, and your ancestors are telling you, that to trust in higher forces. So maybe you're trying to solve a problem using your own human potential or something, human self, but some of the problem um, can also be solved using higher forces. So this time, that problem or whatever challenge you're going through right now, if ever there is, trust in higher forces, or maybe generally your life, to trust more in higher forces if you want a life with ease, and if you want, more joy in life. So trusting in the higher forces would really benefit you, because one of your gifts that you're actually not maybe not acknowledging yet is your gift of healing. So that's why maybe you have gone through so much in life, and one of the reasons a lot of healers have actually gone through so much in life, and it's part of the parang soul choice and soul purpose. But right now you are given a choice to do whatever it is that your soul is meant to do in this planet, to contribute more. And that is your gift of healing. And the planet needs more of you. The planet needs more of you when it comes to healing. And then that will arrive when you trust more in the higher forces. So that's your message, Faye. Yan. So next, who's next? Oh, I think who's next? Number 7. Matulog na daw si Mama A. So cute kayo si Mama A. Na-miss gid nato siya karon, and nasuya siya kay naa si Kuya Bong, and then siya wala. So wala na mo nahatag ang link, Mama A. So pina-uptick na mga gift natin with So our viewers are around 9 and 10. 9 in Fox Tribe, 10 in Mystic Angels. So medyo na tayo nahati tayo sa dalawa. Yeah, so those who would want a reading, just type your name. We still have how many? 8, 9. Around 9 people left. Okay? Tama ba akong numbers? Basta 7 akong na-read. 7 atong na-read. So si Kuya Bong na-read na, di ba?
Wala na ako na kaya nag-offline ko.
Si Kuya Bong wala pa na-read, right?
Wala pa. Yes, wala pa.
Okay, so Abby the Great Light will read for Kuya Bong.
All right, go Abby.
Our 8th nagibasa tonight.
Mute day ko, wait.
So for those who are still jumping in, just type your name.
So, ang card ni Kuya Bong ay, oh my gosh.
What's that?
Aphrodite.
Wow. Oh, inner God. Oh my God.
It speaks to you. My gosh. So it says here, awaken the goddess within you through dance, self-care, and appreciating your divinity. So for Aphrodite, it's all about love, but not necessarily other love. It's more also about self-love. So I think you're quite a master of this already in terms of, loving yourself. Maybe I think it's just a reminder. Maybe right now you're probably busy with other stuff or other matters in your life, and it's just your goddess, your angel telling you, reminding you that, hey, don't forget to love yourself, because if you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love anybody else? Sabi
wow. Thank you, Abby.
So love it. And
I like that.
super love it. Super love. Yeah.
Yes.
It's a wonderful message. So since wala pang nag-type ng name nila, okay, we will just read, maybe Ate Jeannie will read for Ate Rosabel.
Yes, our birthday, Sparkling Tita. All right, I forgot. I'm supposed to, I'm supposed to give one and kanina, and then we're live na pala. Okay. All right. To our Sparkling Tita, Rosabel. Okay. Oh, your message is wonderful. Retreat. I know you've been planning this, Tita Belle, and you really want to go to the beach now. And this will really help you because I know you are creating as well during the quarantines. And we don't have an update yet from the IATF or our president. What will be the next level of Q? And I know there's a lot of things going on into your mind and you're pondering other opportunities as well, especially during the quarantine period. So to block out distractions, spend quiet time alone so that you can focus on your priorities. And I believe it's your heart's desires. And I know this is your birthday wish as well, to commune with nature. And so this is a nudge from your angels to do so, because you have a lot of things, a lot of creations wherein the world is waiting to experience as well. So a retreat is good for you. Happy birthday!
Yay! And maybe Kuya Bong has a message naman for Mother P. While we are waiting for
For Mother P, oh my God.
Message mo.
My message to Mother P, it's been a quite long while na jud kaayo, Mother P. You're the love. You're an awesome girl. Lahat murag ikaw man jud tong artista sa tanang panahon. Automatic when we need you the most, you're there. So much love na lang. Happy birthday jud kaayo. Makita ra ta pohon. Ha? Happy birthday. And Rosabel too, happy birthday. Ang imuhang juice nasa office. Makita ra ta pohon.
Yay.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, so for those who want calamansi juice and mango float and tapioca, also Kuya Bong, you can find on Facebook, Bong Dumadag or Prox Travels. Ayan.
Yes.
So, wala pa namang so we'll do, okay, the next reading will be for Joes. Maybe Ate Pangging has a reading from the heart. For Joes, because we miss you at the Purple Dino. So,
yeah.
Want something for Joes. So this is the
message.
Yes.
So the message for Joes is that to keep what you are doing, you're doing it perfectly and very efficiently. So just continue doing all the initiatives that you have, and you have a lot of creations now. So just keep doing that. Yeah, just be consistent with that. That's it. Consistency.
So thank you for that message. Next, I'm gonna read for Jay Delino, since wala pa may nagkuan. So our 10th ipa-read is Jay Delino. So we'll read for
Ablihan na yun na ako. Tina, ablihan na yun ako ng card na ako para sa imuha ba? Goddess of card mo. Ablihan yun ako karon.
Goddess card.
Ha?
Wala ako gipapalit. Okay.
Oh yeah.
For Jay, this is your message. Grow within your current situation. So you are a very wise man, even though you can spin off Bebe Boy jokes because you're a very wise man. You cannot spin off those jokes if you're not. So trust in your wisdom, and you are growing whatever situation you're in. Maybe you have a lot of challenges right now and you think you're alone or what, but you can grow using that, and you have so much wisdom within you that a lot of us can benefit from, that you can contribute to us also. So yon, hello Jay. So yan, wise one ang kanyang message, the wise one. So na siya owl, so si Zai siguro na ako. Na owl sa side na ay moon, si
Maggie daw, si Maggie.
Si Zai Silver Moon. So, murag nag-stuck lagi ang mga nag-comment, wala na or nahang ni siya. What's wrong with my Facebook? So, I feel that's all the message. Wala namang nagpa-read. We didn't really tonight. We're just here for everybody, and this is the Midnight Unicorn Club. And how about you all? What would you like to promote at the end of the program? Would you like to promote your sessions? So by the way, we do angel card readings over at here in Fox Tribe, or also Mystic Angels, and you can contact our readers also. Yon. If you want more or one-on-one, kung mahiya kayo maggingi ng message live, you can do one-on-one sessions with us. We can do it over Zoom. Don't worry, hindi kayo ilalagay sa live. It's a one-on-one session.
Teen question.
Yes, po.
The fact side, I think this is my first time to join.
Yay! Yes.
Wala ko kabalo na ingon ani. This just so happened, nag-appear siya bigla sa ko, then I immediately click on the link. Tapos, oh my God, my beautiful sisters, di ay na diha. When was this started, di ay?
So anyway, actually during the quarantine, we started this, but this is the third episode kaninga klase. This is called,
okay.
Third pa lang tayo. This is the third episode. We're doing it every Monday. Midnight Unicorn Club siya. Supposed to be, mag-start siya 11:30, but last time kay murag kapoy mo kay magulat sa 11:30. Uy, 11 di ay dili na panindigan ang midnight, pero gapo mo gud paminawon ang midnight. So 11 na lang. So gipang doka namin tong last time. And
that's it.
It's really a challenge for her because it's already 1 a.m. there, but currently she's in a wonderful space, and I'm really happy
I know
for her space right now. Guwapa na kaayo, kanang happy kay na siya ron dira. She can be herself and enjoy herself. Enjoy herself. Oh my gosh, that sounds so.
They're so flirty.
Yes, it's midnight. It's supposed to be like that. Shut up. So anyway, Kuya Bong, so we started this three weeks ago, and kaning Fox Tribe Gyud na group exists long time na, 1 year after we watched the Eternal Love, the Bai Chan Yewa thing.
Okay.
Baka tong magpaypay, tingala ka magsige magpaypay, maramig mga buang ni nagatay chi unsa man sila kay gusto.
So dito din na is ang inspiration.
That's the inspiration, because we see that the foxes are just playful, and like they're very free. They can do whatever it is that they want, and they're very chill. Like us, kanang there are times within us na gusto na ko mag-chill lang ko di ay, tapos because in the world, a lot of people make us wrong if we, sleep. If we chill. Like, if you're not doing anything, you'd worry. Kung wala ko ginahimo. So, why? The foxes, have time to do that. And actually, whenever you're not doing something, you're actually in a creative space also. Doing nothing, that's also a creative space. And then after that space, mag-create naman pod ka. And then you get to creation, and you get to generate more. So we honor that. We honor the laziness in a sense that dili pod ka na magtamad-tamad na kuan, but kanang it's okay. If you don't feel like showing up, then don't. So it's the same thing here in the Fox Tribe. That's the essence of kanang, if you love to play, then let's maglingaw-lingaw lang ta, and just bring laughter and joy, because
chill lang.
Yeah, and then some people, they love to have fun lang. So
correct.
And the best contribution that we can give right now is our happiness, and kanang wala may bayad ang happiness, no? Kanang magpakatawa, and then everybody here in the Fox Tribe have the gift of that humor, and so mauna we call everybody in the Fox tribe. So si Mama Ike, nalingaw siya, oh my God, meron palang ganito. Bakit hindi niya ako sinali? Ano siya? Wala daw siya ilabot. Kadira.
Ala.
Wala lang. Kaya nag-explore lang man me. We're just exploring. Right now. So I think the others have to say unsa ilang experience sa Midnight Unicorn Club. Ate Jenny.
Okay. Thank you for the invitation, ha.
Yes.
Salamat.
So maybe Ate Jeannie has something to say.
Well, naturally, insomniac talaga ako. So it's a good venue to have like actual people talking, you're talking, you're interacting with. So may I jump in the Midnight Unicorn? And then it sparks maraming ideas. Kasi mas gumagana ang aking brains pag gabi talaga, like, all the pagmumuni-muni at pagninilay-nilay, mga ganyan. So it's good to know that there are, people like the other unicorns out there na willing din makipagmuni-muni at nilay-nilay. Ganyan. Yeah. And so far, it's fun. So parang hindi ko feel alone ako. Especially sa quarantine, because you miss the people that you usually interact with and resonate with. So yeah, it's a fun venue for me.
Yeah.
Kasi the rest are they have other purpose, yung mga Zoom calls na yan.
Yeah.
This is the fun side.
True. Actually, we have a lot of Zoom calls, Kuya Bong, and this one is our fun side. Kana murag wala lang bisag unsa lang, dili lang ta mag-rules, wala rules, nothing, no rules. And maybe Avi the Great Light has something to say.
Okay.
Naday rules to uban.
Wala man gyapon no, kay Fox ang good me, Kuya Bong. So tanan na mo mga words na walay rules.
May rules.
Kung gusto ka matulog, di matulog ka.
Correct.
Lang ka. Ano di ay? Ana lang ni.
Yeah.
So maybe Abby Z Great, you have something to say?
Well, all of the calls that we have is very interesting. It just so happened na si Tina nag-set up a lot of other Zoom calls to cater to a lot of other people na available during this time. So it just so happened na for me, I'm sort of available most of the time. So na ako maka-appeal ko permi sa calls niya, which is so nice. So like pag mga 3:00 magkape-kape, kanang merienda, tapos tinapay, chika-chika. And then we have this like midnight na for those who have trouble sleeping, or maybe not trouble, but maybe they just have like a lot of stuff in their mind. They could like talk about it with someone. So this is that kind of space. So mga siya wala rules, and it's so nice, kaya very comfy. Everyone's just, we just make up our own names, make up our own rules, and we have the lovely Darlene helping us kanang moderate sa mga comment
Zoom
sections. Yeah. So it's very helpful. So it's just so nice to be here. Although kanang kadukaon ako, kanang ako matampuyong na, pero akong utok nagidagan pa. So this is nice. Puyong lang ko, pero nagastorya ko, okay lang, nagapaminaw man ko.
Oo. Pero yeah, actually, ana lang Kuya Bong, tapos every night, naga-message lang sila diri sa mo. I mean, not every night, every Monday night, you can invite your friends if they have something that troubles them. Na nagka-problema sila. They can ask a question, and then we will do our best to contribute. No?
Okay. That's good.
May mga question ka nang unsaon pag move on. Last week pingunan ang mga question. Unsaon pag move on, how to find the life purpose. Ano ang mga question sa gabi ilingaw. So
good, very good.
For people who have, trouble, talking about comments, so they can use, their Facebook account or fake Facebook account. Okay lang na kung makulong sila, or just say asking for a friend. Ana lang para di.
Di ba?
So ato lang. So, and then of course before we end, it's 11:44. Final words for Ate Pangging. That Ate Pangging wants to say before we end. Final words. What's the mga last words?
I am a few words lang yun, no? Yeah, but yeah, it's my first time to join this pod, Kuya bong. And
Yeah.
it's fun, especially when you are away and you have your friends here and you are also encountering same questions with these people who are asking questions, you know. So along the way, ma-address Rosad. So, well, this is a very good outlet. It's a very good light outlet for us to express who we are. So, ana siya. So,
Yes.
nice na
Very
may
good.
kape-kape, no? Pero, wala ko.
So every day, every night, mga 10 o'clock, manimpla na may kape, 10:30, nag-prepare ng tsaa, na kung sa'yo mong favorite drink.
That's good, no? Nice one.
So, yun. So, thank you everybody for watching.
Thank you.
Our viewers.
Thank you.
And see you again on next Monday. Before we end, we would like to invite you again for meditation this June 21. Wala pa tayong time for the Philippines. We will still convert it. But we have a meditation on June 21 and June 30. So it is something na muraganig power kung Power Rangers, imong feelings, imong self. So this is the one way that we can contribute to the planet together. Okay, as one. So June 21 and June 30, we will send out the invitations. Yeah. And
Okay.
please keep anchoring the light and all of that, because that is a great contribution. And just laugh. And if you need someone to talk to, just message any of us. And it's okay to just, message us. I-message me. Kaya para tagaan ta mo more questions na masuko mo sa ako. So anyway, those are the things. Yeah. So anybody, by the way, we have EA every Saturday, 5 p.m.
Yes, 5 p.m. You can send the invites to your friends as well who are emotionally overwhelmed, especially during the quarantine or going through challenges, maybe in a layoffs of work or so, and they just wanted a venue where they can learn tools how to cope with overwhelming emotions, or just to listen and learn from other people's shares or resonate with that so they don't feel alone, or also just share and likewise be heard. Yun. So every Saturday 5 p.m. you can follow Emotions Anonymous Davao Philippines Facebook page for updates and links.
Yes, and
Thank
then we
you.
also have Get Happy Unicorn every Wednesdays 3 p.m. So morning gingon ni AVZ Great Light, no, that we just drink coffee and merienda and talk, and we use the tools of Access Consciousness. So yun, and just have conversations with friends. So we don't post it on the wall talaga. It's not marketed. We just, ninja moves to everybody. Anybody can come in. It's free. It's just, an avenue where we can converse and, generate more and create more. So that's it. And we hope to see you soon. And blessings and namaste.
Bye-bye.
Love and light.
Nag-report na si Pia.